There's the stillness of death on a deathly unliving sea, and the motor car magical world long since ceased to be. When the eve-bitten apple returned to destroy the tree, incestuous ancestries share a bang ride, spawning new millions, throws the world on its side, supporting their far-flung illusion, the national curse. And those with no sandwiches, please get off the bus. The excrement bubbles, the centuries slime decays, and the brainwashing government lackeys would have us say it's under control and we'll soon be on our way to a grandeur for babies and quiz panel games of the hot, hungry millions. You'll be sure to remain. The natural resources are dwindling and no one grows old. And those with no homes to go to, please dig yourself holes. We wandered through quiet lands, felt the first breath of snow, searched for the last pigeon, slate gray, I've been told. Stumbled on a daffodil which she crushed in the rush, heard it sigh and left it to die. At once felt remorse and were touched by the loss of our own. Held its poor broken head in her hands, drops of tears in the snow. And it's only the taking that makes you what you are. Wondering aloud, will the sun one day be born to share in our infancy, in the child's path we've worn? In the aging seclusion of this earth that our birth did surprise, will open his eyes.